Some of these DeWalt tools replace 3 tools at once. Others feel straight out of the future. You're watching AU Techverse, and these are 20 new tools that completely change the game. DeWalt Plastic Tubing Cutter. The DeWalt Plastic Tubing Cutter makes cutting plastic pipes fast and satisfying. It can cut pipes up to 2 inches thick and delivers up to 400 cuts on a single battery charge. Built-in LED lights help you see clearly when working in dark or tight spaces. The dual cutting modes let you choose speed or control depending on the job. Compared to manual cutters, this tool is much faster and smoother. It reduces hand strain and gives clean, straight cuts every time, making plumbing and installation work easier and more enjoyable. DeWalt Pipe Deburring Tool. This pipe deburring tool is designed to give clean, safe pipe edges. It works on pipes that are larger than before and supports many more material types. The variable speed switch allows better control, especially on delicate materials. Rust-resistant blades ensure long life and smooth performance. It deburs both the inside and outside of pipes, which improves fit and safety. This tool is perfect for plumbers and installers who want professional results and fewer sharp edges, helping prevent leaks and injuries. DeWalt Impact Driver. The DeWalt Impact Driver is built for serious fastening power. It delivers up to 2,500 inch-pounds of torque, making stubborn screws easy to handle. With 3 speed settings and a variable trigger, you stay in full control. This driver is faster and stronger than older models, saving time on tough jobs. It's ideal for construction, woodworking, and heavy repairs. Instead of struggling with stuck fasteners, this tool powers through them smoothly, making work faster and less frustrating. GRABO Vacuum Lifter. The GRABO Vacuum Lifter makes lifting heavy materials much safer. It can lift up to 265 pounds using strong vacuum suction. It works on smooth surfaces like tile, glass, and metal. Smart pressure sensors monitor grip strength, while the LED display shows lift status. A low battery alert keeps you safe during use. This tool is perfect for installers and builders who regularly lift heavy panels. It reduces back strain and lowers the risk of accidents, making lifting work easier and safer. DeWalt Concrete Nailer. The DeWalt Concrete Nailer delivers strong fastening power without gas or fuel cells. It's fully battery-powered and provides up to 600 shots per charge. Adjustable pin depth allows accurate fastening in different materials. Dual LED lights improve visibility in dark areas. The brushless motor ensures long life and reliable performance. This tool is ideal for fastening into concrete and steel. It's faster, cleaner, and more convenient than traditional nailers, making it a strong choice for professional job sites. DeWalt Wet Core Drill Bit Set. This wet core drill set is designed for drilling large holes in reinforced concrete. It can handle holes up to 6 3/8 inches wide. The 3-speed gear selector allows better control based on material strength. An anti-rotation system improves safety while drilling. The compact design helps when working in tight spaces. Wireless tool control helps manage water flow during drilling. This tool is perfect for plumbing and electrical work where clean, precise holes are required in tough concrete surfaces. DeWalt Concrete Power SCREED Kit. The Concrete Power SCREED Kit makes leveling concrete smooth and easy. It produces up to 7,800 vibrations per minute to remove air pockets and create flat surfaces. The 180-degree rotating handles improve comfort and control. Being cordless, it allows easy movement across job sites. It works with multiple SCREED bars, making it flexible for different projects. This tool saves time and effort while delivering professional concrete finishes, making it a valuable tool for contractors and builders. DeWalt Core Drill Bit Holder Kit. This holder kit provides stable support for core drilling. The vacuum base locks the drill firmly in place without anchors. Adjustable angles from -5 to +45 degrees allow precise drilling. Quick height adjustments save time on setup. The slim design works well in tight spaces, and removable wheels improve portability. Top water control helps manage wet drilling safely. This kit turns a standard drill into a professional setup, improving accuracy and reducing fatigue during long drilling jobs. DeWalt PowerShift Concrete Vibrator Kit. The PowerShift Concrete Vibrator helps create strong, smooth concrete pours. It delivers up to 12,000 vibrations per minute to remove trapped air. The large vibration head ensures even results. Wireless control and quick change heads improve ease of use. A durable roll cage protects the unit on job sites. Battery alerts prevent sudden power loss. This tool is ideal for concrete workers who want consistent quality, reduced effort, and better structural strength in their pours. DeWalt Ergonomic Aviation Snips. These aviation snips are designed for comfort and control. They cut through materials like aluminum, vinyl, leather, copper, and sheet metal with less hand effort. The serrated cutting edge prevents slipping, giving cleaner cuts. A slip-resistant grip keeps the tool steady in your hand. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long cutting sessions. These snips are perfect for professionals who need precision and comfort while cutting tough materials. DeWalt Pro Adhesive Anchors. DeWalt Pro Adhesive Anchors are designed for strong fastening in concrete and masonry. They work with standard threaded rods and are approved for structural use. The cartridge system allows multiple uses, reducing waste. Extra mixing nozzles make installation quick and simple. These anchors provide reliable holding power for static and heavy loads. They are ideal for construction and industrial applications where safety and strength are critical. DeWalt XR Nailer/Stapler. The XR Nailer Stapler is compact, lightweight, and built for speed. It offers sequential mode for precise placement and bump mode for fast operation. It can fire up to 4 nails per second. The brushless motor lasts longer and needs less maintenance. This tool is perfect for framing, trim work, and finishing jobs. It combines power and control, helping professionals work faster without sacrificing accuracy. DeWalt Critical Connection Undercut Anchors. These anchors are designed for serious structural connections. They work in cracked and uncracked concrete and handle static, dynamic, and seismic loads. Available in carbon and stainless steel, they offer flexibility for different environments. Installation uses a fixed depth hole with a special drill bit. These anchors provide strong load transfer and improved shear capacity, making them ideal for safety-critical construction projects. DeWalt Pressure Washer. The DeWalt Pressure Washer delivers strong cleaning power with 3,400 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute. The 208cc engine provides consistent performance. Pressure-ready technology makes setup quick and easy. The LED smart panel shows system status clearly. A maintenance-free pump reduces upkeep. This washer is perfect for cleaning patios, decks, driveways, and siding. It combines power and ease of use for professional-level cleaning results. DeWalt 9-inch Cutoff Saw. This battery-powered cutoff saw delivers strong cutting power without gas. It's designed for concrete and masonry work. Dual-sided water delivery helps control dust and meet safety standards. The 5-position rotating guard improves visibility in tight spaces. A sealed battery box protects the power source. This saw is ideal for job sites that need clean, efficient cutting without fumes or heavy maintenance. DeWalt Combination Hammer. The DeWalt Combination Hammer delivers 6.1 joules of impact energy for drilling and chipping. The anti-rotation E-clutch improves safety during binding situations. A vibration-reducing shock system makes long use more comfortable. The lightweight design helps with overhead and horizontal drilling. With a durable brushless motor, this tool provides reliable performance for heavy concrete work while reducing fatigue. DeWalt Cordless Air Compressor Kit. This cordless air compressor offers oil-free, low-maintenance performance. It can fire up to 1,220 nails per charge. The brushless motor ensures long life, while the quiet operation improves comfort on job sites. A roll cage design protects the unit from damage. The one-turn regulator allows fast pressure adjustments. This compressor is perfect for finish work, combining portability with professional power. DeWalt Handheld Blower. The Handheld Blower delivers strong airflow for fast cleanup. It moves up to 423 cubic feet of air per minute at speeds up to 129 miles per hour, with a flat nozzle boosting speed further. The brushless motor improves efficiency and runtime. Variable speed control allows better handling of different tasks. Lightweight and ergonomic, this blower is ideal for job sites and yards, making cleanup quick and easy. DeWalt LED Area Light. This LED area light delivers up to 7,000 lumens, making dark job sites bright and safe. It can run corded or cordless for flexibility. Dimming options allow control down to 500 lumens. Adjustable left-right lighting improves coverage. Bluetooth connectivity lets users control the light from a mobile app. It can also help track tools and equipment. This light is ideal for large work areas and night jobs. DeWalt Insulator Protective Eyewear. DeWalt Insulator Protective Eyewear is built for comfort and safety. The low-profile design fits well with helmets and headgear. Anti-fog and anti-scratch lenses keep vision clear. A soft rubber gasket protects against dust, splashes, and debris. The adjustable head strap ensures a secure fit for long workdays. These glasses are ideal for professionals who need reliable eye protection without discomfort. Some of these tools were powerful, some were smart, but all of them prove one thing: DeWalt keeps pushing forward. You're watching AU Techverse. Like the video, subscribe for more next-level tech, and comment the tool you'd add to your toolbox.